Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 5 tan t. Because if I put this one going here, you got about 25 tan t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Now we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 5 secant of t square dt. So we put this one going here. ds we change by this one. This one we have 25 tan t square. Number 25 we can do about factorization. So this one we have secant of t square. This is about trigonometric identity. This one we have 5 secant of t. Now we need to simplify 5 secant of t square on 5 secant of t. So we have secant of t in here. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And we got about t equals to tan of s over 5. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with tan you got about s over 5. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.